Come with me on a beautiful day at Stanley Park. We're starting our journey with this stunning view. We have a stunning view of the park and the city from this spot. Walking down the street, you see people enjoying the day, some with umbrellas and others carrying hydrants. There's a unique charm to this place. Check out this beautiful boat on a foggy day. It adds a serene touch to the park's scenic views. Amazing! Totem poles are scattered throughout this grassy field, each with its own unique story, a fascinating sight to behold. We couldn't resist a quick stop at this charming store with its cozy selection of stuffed animals. Look at this colorful bird perched on a branch, a tranquil moment amidst the hustle and bustle of the park. Hope you enjoyed it.